One time, there were more than 70 road closures in Benton County alone. KNWA's Andrew Epperson is out there right now to give us an update. Andrew, good evening.
Good evening. Yeah, Chad, Jennifer, the Benton County Road Department's been out there all day trying to get some of these roads fixed up. Like you said, at one time there was almost 80 that were closed at one time. Who would have thought there were even that many roads in the place? Preliminary damage assessments are going to need to be done to figure out exactly what needs to get some of these fixed up, and we'll just see how long that takes. But the county responded to 4 swift water rescues. 2 happened when drivers were trying to maneuver their way through high water, which is never a good idea. Robert McGowan is the administrator of Public Safety for Benton County. He says the roads still aren't 100% even after the floodwaters have gone down.
You'll have to be careful on all those roads because it'll take a little bit for the road department to get to all those and get them back to pre-disaster condition.
McGowan says you can sign up for BC Alert to get notifications when severe weather's happening. They sent out 2 notifications, so if you're signed up, you definitely saw those yesterday. But he says really the smart thing to do is just to stay away from the roads when it's raining as hard as it was yesterday. That way your property can stay safe, and more importantly, you can stay safe. Live in Benton County, Andrew Epperson, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.